Tindora or ivy gourd is a warm season vegetable primarily grown in tropical climates. We can grow Tindora in New Jersey also during summer. In fall, when the outdoor temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the stem cuttings are taken and are planted in pots and need to be brought indoors for overwintering. In summer, it's again planted outdoors. In New Jersey, we usually plant them outdoors after Mother's Day or around May 15th. Let's make Tindora roast now. Into the Tindora, we are adding a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili. We are adding a little bit of oil also, maybe a teaspoon. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any other oil. Onion, curry leaves,